welcome back to Salma Shareef Diaries. I wish all are good. Let's start our day. Today's vlog is very simple. It's all about a travel vlog. See guys, life is like a train that keeps on moving, so enjoy every moment. I feel sometimes I need to get away from everything just for a while. These beautiful evenings gives us a peaceful time to relax after a long day at work. Today I just captured moving clouds, but tomorrow I will try mountains. Thank you. Subscribe Salma Shareef Diaries. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you soon. Like तो ज़रूर करना. Bye.